So this is Mithu, the parrot. Well, I have few questions for you. Are you going to reply to me? Well, with the look you are giving to me, I don't think so you would. But look at your beauty. Wow, the way you look at yourself. Can you move aside from my hand, please? I'm asking you. Can you reply to me? Me too. Me too. Me too. Wow. Look at your beauty. Oh, are you sleepy? Are you feeling sleepy, me too? Yes. Okay. Okay. Are you depressed? You look like no wait, you are sleepy. So I should stop talking to you, I guess. Alright. Fine. That was that, I guess. Bye.